When comparing WP Engine versus Liquid Web for e-commerce websites, it's important to look at what each platform offers and how they stack up for different needs in the world of online stores. Stick with me till the end, because I'll give you my verdict on which is the better choice for your e-commerce business, and you might be surprised at what I recommend. First thing to consider is performance. WP Engine is known for its speed and reliability, especially on managed WordPress hosting. If you're running an e-commerce site on WordPress, you'll be happy with the optimizations WP Engine has for e-commerce sites, especially for WooCommerce. They offer caching and performance enhancements, but sometimes these features can be a bit limiting when you scale up. On the flip side, Liquid Web offers very powerful hosting solutions for both WordPress and other platforms like Magento, which could be beneficial if you want something more flexible beyond WordPress. Next thing, let's talk about support. Both companies pride themselves on customer support, but there are some key differences. WP Engine is known for its excellent 24/7 support, with WordPress-specific expertise at hand. However, if you're running a more complex e-commerce operation, you may find yourself needing more hands-on troubleshooting, and this is where Liquid Web shines. They offer a wider variety of managed services, including things like dedicated servers and enterprise solutions. Their support is robust, and they provide high-touch service for larger-scale businesses. The fourth thing to look at is pricing. WP Engine comes with a premium price tag. For small to medium e-commerce sites, it might be worth the cost, especially since you're paying for the convenience and features optimized for WordPress. Liquid Web's pricing is often higher as well, but it can offer more scalability and flexibility, making it more suitable for larger, high-traffic sites, especially if you're working with multiple platforms like Magento or WooCommerce. Now, let's get into security. WP Engine does offer great security features such as SSL certificates, malware scanning, and automatic backups. But for more peace of mind, Liquid Web offers even more robust security features. They provide additional protections for e-commerce websites, like automatic updates, firewall management, and a more customizable security setup. If you're running a larger business with a high volume of transactions, Liquid Web has some advantages here. Next, let's dive into scalability. Liquid Web is the winner when it comes to scaling your e-commerce store. Whether you're dealing with massive spikes in traffic or need more server power for a growing catalog, Liquid Web offers powerful tools like cloud VPS hosting and dedicated servers. WP Engine does have scalable solutions, but its focus remains on WordPress, which might not give you as much flexibility when you need to scale quickly for larger stores. Finally, the ease of use. WP Engine has a user-friendly interface that makes managing your e-commerce site relatively straightforward, especially for beginners who are used to WordPress. Liquid Web, while powerful, can feel a bit more complex, especially if you're using their more advanced options. But if you're experienced with managing larger websites and need more control over your hosting, Liquid Web's dashboard and offerings can be a real asset. Now, I'm going to be fair here, both WP Engine and Liquid Web are solid choices for e-commerce websites. They have their pros and cons, and for the right business, either one could work. However, after testing both of them myself and weighing everything we've covered, I think Liquid Web gives you more flexibility, scalability, and performance, particularly for growing e-commerce businesses that need a strong foundation for bigger projects. That said, I'd recommend you check out the first link in the description to take advantage of a better alternative, which I believe will be a perfect fit for your e-commerce website. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to you as a viewer of this video. If you want to take your online store to the next level, this is the chance you don't want to miss.